Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to APSSTC SchoolNet India Naipunya Vikasam channel. Today we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic about our loved ones who were included in every part of our life, and by whom do you share our feelings. They fill the colors in our life and make us happy. I think you definitely got an idea what I am going to teach now, right? Yes, today our topic is about my friends, and this topic is related to 5th class life skills. So, everyone has their own friends, right? But do you know what the abbreviation of a friend? I think everyone has friend, but we don't know what is the abbreviation of it, right? So, let us know it, okay? Can you spell friends? So, please spell along with me. F R I E N D S. Okay? Now, let us know the each abbreviation of each letter, okay? Here, F stands for fight for you. R stands for respect you. I stands for include you. E stands for encourage you. N stands for need you. D stands for deserve you. And finally, S stands for stand by you. Okay? So, okay, we learned about the abbreviation of a friend. That's fine. But do you know what is the definition of a friend? Don't know, I think. So, let us know the definition of a friend also. Okay? A person who you know well and who you like a lot, but who is usually not a member of your family, is nothing but the real definition of a friend. Okay? So, now let us comically sing this poem about friends. Okay, children? Please sing along with me. Okay? In my friends I seek some care, some fun and happy days. With you I will grow and learn new ways. Have a little secret every day to share. My friends, I hope we stay together, listening, talking, knowing one another. And when we grow and part our ways, I hope you will always remember this day. Did you enjoy the poem, children? Yes. So, after knowing all this, what you have learned, friends are forever in our life. Yes? Do you agree? So, now, children, I think everyone are interested in stories, right? So, now I am going to tell you an interesting story about two friends. Are you ready to hear? So, let's start the story. Once, there were two friends who were walking through the forest. They knew that anything dangerous can happen to them at any time in the forest, because inside the forest there were several animals roaming, no? So they were afraid of. So they promised each other that they would remain united in any case of danger. If any danger will occur, then the two children should not be part away from each other. Suddenly, they saw a large bear approaching them. One bear came near to them. One of the friends at once climbed a nearby tree. But the other one did not know how to climb. So, being led by his common sense, by using his common sense, he lay down on the ground breathless pretending to be a dead man. The bear came near the man lying on the ground. The bear finally came near the man. It smelt in his ears and slowly left the place. Because as we already know that the bears do not touch the dead creatures. Now the friend on the tree came down and asked his friend on the ground, "Friend, what did the bear tell you into your ears?" he asked. The other friend replied, "The bear advised me not to believe a false friend." So this guy replied that the bear has advised him not to believe a false friend. So, friends, what do you learn from this story? And guess what is the moral of the story? So, what do you learn from the story means this story teaches to be loyal with our friends. And finally, the moral of the story is true friend is the one who always supports and stands by you in any situation is the main moral of the story. And there will be another moral also, that is a friend in need is a friend indeed. This is also one apt moral to it. Okay, now everyone should read the story one by one. Now I will share the worksheets. You write 10 sentences about your best friends. I will give you 10 minutes of time. So start. Now I would like to conclude this by small conclusion. Good friends care for each other. Close friends understand each other. But true friends stay forever. Beyond words, beyond distance, beyond time. Here it comes the logo of the friend. A broken friendship may be shouldered but will never be sound. Thank you so much for watching this video, children.